All right, well, it's Sunday morning here in Eagle Mountain. Me and the wife are heading to...
We're heading to Spring City to go visit some family. Take a little road trip today.
That's right, and we want to bring you along our little adventure. So Spring City's a smaller town, but we'll be going through a couple other smaller towns on the way there. And we're just going to bring you along. So yeah, we're heading off to Spring City, and thought we'd just bring you along with us on our little drive here. Eagle Mountain is still pretty country, wide open spaces, desert, and is growing rapidly. So, but yeah, I just thought I'd bring you through our drive here through Saratoga Springs, and show you the view that we have as we head east and then south to Spring City. Beautiful mountains on either side. Nice, bright, clear day. Little smog. Most of the time you just see this big yellow haze hanging around, all the wonderful pollution that we provide for this planet. So but we're excited to get down to Spring City. We have Evan getting his eagle, and then just doing the Super Bowl thing. So, but yeah, enjoy the ride, and I'll throw some music on here. Those who like to, just run through, look at the beautiful scenery. We will be making a stop at the gas station, kind of midway, and then heading on. So enjoy. All right, well, we made our way down to Nephi, and we're going to run through the canyon here. Beautiful mountains and hills, and just what a way to travel through the country. This is the direct path to Ephraim and Snow College. I had to state that over the years, Laura has driven this road a ton. So, but I'd say we've made about 20 or 25 trips in our marriage out here. When Dalton was going to school and coming out to see the Drews, and many other trips that we've made out here. I know there is an Olympic-sized pool at the Snow College that we enjoy going to, so I love swimming. I love going through these little towns too, but you have to make sure that you narrow it down to 30, 35. You don't want Barney Fife coming up against, a country cop coming up against your 60, 65 mile an hour through a small town. It's hard to explain. But yeah, driving through here, no problems today. This is a little scary at night because there's no lights, and you're just kind of avoiding the deer and the wildlife. So, but yeah, we went through a couple towns here. Again, it looks like I'm roaring through those towns, but again, watch your speed. But yeah, it's fun. It's a good time to catch up with your spouse, and me and Laura had some great conversations, listened to some good music. For the most part, we have cell towers are all over the place here. There's like one place where you just go completely silent. So, but a lot of these roads say 65 on them, especially this one that we're on.
The sign right
all right,
above the thing says,
so we just left Evans Eagle ceremony.
beautiful day.
Beautiful day here in where?
Spring City.
Spring City. We got this building here that's older than old.
Used to be a
1899 public school. Look at this guy.
Beautiful building.
Yeah. So Laura's ready to go.
Oh,
Isn't it beautiful? Look at the snow here. That's weird.
I know.
There's no snow over here, really. There's a lot of snow over here. Odd. Okay, just in. We got sheep. Beep, 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 beep.
Look at them all looking at you.
Ah, sheepy, sheep, sheep, sheep. Nah. Whoa. I did not mean whatever I just said. And then look at the valley, you guys.
Oh, it's so pretty. Look all the way over there.
Yep, this is what we're driving in right now.
It's gorgeous.
Nothing but East Desert.
Beauty. So pretty.
Yep, beautiful. Over here,
Oh, more sheepies.
more sheep. Right there, look at them all.
Yeah.
Kind of blending in with the snow.
And the brush.
Bah! Ah!
I love that they look. They
What?
put their head up. Huh?
Remind me of Mister.
Yeah, exactly.
Alright, off to more adventures.
How strange.
All right.
Their little addition over
We're in
there.
Spring City. We got some old houses here. That is really old. We got some snow up here too. Yeah, we've got some older 1800s houses. Look at this one right here.
Yeah, that's pretty.
It's pretty cool here in Utah. Spring
City.
Spring City, Utah.
That one's newer.
Yep.
But then there's another little older one up here too.
There. Tell we're Cameron and driving at the same time.
Cute little yellow house.
Little country house here. People are like, why are you videoing our house?
See, they brought all the styles from where they came from
Yeah.
over in Europe.
But look at the whole, this yard is just full of snow.
Yeah, it is.
But it's been 2 weeks since they've had snow. They got an old
Yeah,
wagon sitting there.
that's pretty cool.
See, they want us to record because they wouldn't have stuff like that sitting in there.
Yeah, exactly.
And then we got, that's the outhouse.
The cabin. Look at that.
Little cabin out here. Got new construction out here, it looks like.
Wow, yeah.
probably going out here where people shouldn't go.
Where there's just dirt roads.
These are new houses.
Yeah, they are.
Probably get a rock stuck in my tire or something.
Little cabins up here too.
Got an old car back there.
Yeah, that cabin's pretty cool with its
I think this is where
rock.
we shot guns. Oh yeah,
It's kind of near where
This-
we shot guns, I think.
it's right up here. I don't recognize it. Up here on the left. But you got sheep there now.
This is where we came up and got lost the first time we came.
Ooh,
But yeah, it is. It's by where we went and shot guns.
this is the
Yeah, see, we came
Chainsaw
right
Massacre.
up here and got lost.
yeah, just some old farm here. And then you got sheep over here. Yeah, this is country for you, man. This is right up against the mountain. Ooh, you'll hear the rocks clanking. And then you got some old bus thing here that's all shut up. Look at this guy. Oh, it's a horse trailer. But it's been blasted. Yep, this is the gun range.
Yeah, that's where we went.
This is where we were.
So cool.
We got some truckers. I'm sure they don't want to drive in there. It's all muddy.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, it's nice and 50 degrees out here. It's Beautimus Maximus.
Beautimus Max.
Hey, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the little ride out into the country. Have a great day.